Assalamu alaikum. So, just because the equations lesson was a bit hard to you, I'm going to start from the very beginning so that I believe that you won't have any doubt on this lesson. Okay, so from the very beginning, let's start from the review exercise. You already know this part. Okay, you already know this part, but let's discuss. So, A. Please pause the video and complete all these review exercises quickly. Let's discuss. Here, see, x plus 12 is equal to 20. So, we have to isolate this x, right? X plus 12 is 20. So, we have to isolate this x. We have to keep this x alone so that we have to remove this 12. We have to remove this 12. This one we should remove it. Isn't it? We should remove it. Let's see what we can do. So this x plus 12, we write minus 12 here, minus 12 here. So this can be cut off. So x is equal to 20 take away 12, which is 20 take away 10 is 10. Then 10 take away 2 is 8. So x is equal to 8. Next one, B. X minus 7 is 2. So this one minus 7, it has to be plus 7. Then I'm writing plus 7 here as well. So x is equal to 9. Next one is C. 5 plus m is equal to 8. So I'm writing this 5 plus m as m plus 5 is equal to 8. So now I have to take away this 5 from both sides so that m is equal to 8 take away 5, which is 3. Next one, D. 2x is equal to 16. 2x means 2 times x is equal to 16. So to isolate x, I have to do the opposite of this multiplication, which is division. I have to do the opposite of the multiplication, which is division. If you can't remember it, keep in your mind opposite of multiplication is division. Keep this in your mind. Okay, so this is multiplication. 2 times x is 16. So opposite of multiplication is division. So hence I'm doing this as I'm dividing it by 2. So whatever I do to the left hand side, I have to do it to the right hand side as well. So x is equal to 16 divided by 2, which is 8. Next one is we're done with D. I hope you can understand this part. If you can't understand, just let me know. See, this 2x is equal to 16, right? So I want to remove this multiplication which is between 2 and x. 2x means 2 times x. So because of that, I am dividing it by 2 just because I want to isolate the x. So that x is equal to 16 divided by 2, which is 8. If you have any doubt, just let me know. Next is E. Minus 3x is equal to 6. So if I want to isolate x, I have to divide it by whole minus 3. Then x is equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2. Here it is plus, 6 is plus, 3 is minus. So plus divided by minus is minus. What is the rule applied here? I will teach you. Plus times plus is plus. Minus times minus is also plus. Next is plus times minus or minus times plus. This is minus. Okay. The same thing goes with the division also. Plus divided by plus or minus divided by minus, it is plus. Plus divided by minus or minus divided by plus, minus divided by plus, this is minus, which means same type. If we multiply the same type, the answer is plus. If we multiply or divide different type, it is minus. Now how do I do this? How do I know this previously? That's the question, isn't it? Well, this part we have to learn further. There is a lesson to learn this part, so don't ever worry about this. For now, just get a basic idea and that's enough. Okay, we're done with E. Now we have to go ahead with F. 2p plus 1 is 5. I will write it again. 2p plus 1 is 5. I have to isolate. Then 2p plus 1 minus 1 is 5 minus 1. 2p is equal to 4. Now p is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Why did I divide this 4 by 2? Because 2 times p is 4. So to isolate the p, I have to divide it by 2. So I have divided both sides. So then I can cut off here 2p here. If I divide it by it, 2, I can cut off these 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. G. 3b minus 7 is 2. 3b minus 7 plus 7 is 2 plus 7. 3b is 9. B is equal to 9 divided by 3, which means 3. H. X divided by 2 is 3. So to isolate the x, I have to do the opposite. I have to multiply it. So whatever I do to the left hand side, it should happen to the right hand side as well. So x is equal to 6. I. 2p divided by 2 is 6. So 2, both are 2. I can divide it at one shot. So p is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. J. M divided by 5 minus 1 is 8. So m divided by 5 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8 plus 1. M divided by 5 is 9. So m is equal to, if this is divided by 5, to isolate the m, I have to multiply it by 5. The same thing I am doing to the other side, which means m is equal to 45. K. 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. Well, here this is a new thing now. This is a new thing. See, now if we have a brackets, this is also, we have to learn it separately. I will teach you separately, but at the moment you can study it. 2x plus 3 is equal to 11, isn't it? So bracket means multiplication. So this one I am multiplying by this. Okay, so 2 multiplied by x is 2x. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now what is remaining? Plus. This 2 was already a plus 2. It is not a minus 2. If it is a minus 2, they would have given. So if they have not given you minus 2, it is obviously a plus 2. So plus times plus is plus. Okay, these two also you have to multiply. See what we are doing first. First we are multiplying this 2 with x. This 2 with x. Then the 2 with 3. And we got 2x and 6. We got the 2x and 6. Rest is the mark. To get the mark, I multiplied the numbers. See again. 2x times x plus 3 is equal to 11. If you are confused with multiplying these symbols, plus and plus, just leave it for now. Okay, later when we learn about it, you will understand more. So 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3 is 6, then in the middle it's plus, because the plus is here. It changes if any of these, either here it will be a minus, either here it will be a minus. Then you can simply add this plus. Till that you can simply add the plus out there. Okay, 2x plus 6 is equal to 11. Now you know to sort this out, right? 2x plus 6 is 11. So plus 6 minus 6. 2x is equal to 5. Then dividing by 5, x is equal to 2.5. Now L. Same sort of question. 3, 1 minus x is equal to 9. Now here is a minus. Okay. Now there is a little doubt out there. But don't worry, we will be doing these type of questions further. Like we have to learn how to sort these brackets. We have to learn how to multiply plus with minus, and how to divide plus with minus. All this we have to learn. So for now, by the knowledge that we have, we can sort it out. Now 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times x is x, so this is 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, then minus. Just write the minus as it is. Minus here, then here 9. Now it is minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 9, right? So what you can do is, you can send this minus 3x to the other side. Minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 9. So instead of minus 3x, add plus 3x, here also plus 3x. So minus 3x plus 3x will get cut off. So 3 is equal to 9 plus 3x. Now this is a normal type question. See, 3x plus 9 is equal to 3. So 3x plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 3 minus 9. So 3x is equal to 3 minus 9, which means minus 6. This part you have to learn. This part is for the future. I will teach you this one. So divide by 3, x is equal to 6. Minus 6 divided by plus 3 means minus 2. This one also will be taught in future. Okay, so these are the parts. I will show you one by one again. See, these are the answers.